Have you ever been drifting off to sleep and suddenly felt like you're falling, jolting you awake? What on earth is that? It's called a hypnic jerk, and it's totally normal. As you fall asleep, your muscles relax. But sometimes, your brain gets a little confused. It misinterprets this sudden relaxation as you actually falling. In a panic, it sends a signal to your muscles to tense up and catch you, which is why you jerk awake. Think of it as a little miscommunication between your brain and body. It can be triggered by stress, caffeine, or an irregular sleep schedule. So next time it happens, don't worry. Your brain is just being a bit overprotective. It's a weird but harmless part of being human. If you found this interesting, give this video a like and subscribe for more fun facts.